Tomato ketchup is the most liked and the favorite sauce among our the sauces choices. And this is the one sauce we can make it our home with the simple ingredient in 25 to 30 minutes. Most of you might have the questions that what is the expiry date of the homemade tomato ketchup and can we use the substitute for the vinegar or the citric acid and the sugar. So I will be answering all your queries about the homemade tomato ketchup in this video. For that, stay with me till the last of the video. And in this homemade tomato ketchup, I am avoiding the chemical preservatives. That's why the homemade tomato ketchup are the best for the health and tastier as well as far better than the market tomato ketchup. For this ketchup, all you need is the ripened tomatoes and a onion, and you have to chop it that so that all the flavor of the onion infused inside the tomato. Spices give the taste to the tomato ketchup, so adding tomato, ginger, garlic, all are compulsory. Piece of a ginger, the ginger will make the real taste of the tomato ketchup. The homemade tomato ketchup have the far better taste than the market one. You have to wash the tomatoes properly, as well as the market tomatoes are full of the pesticide outside it. You have to cut down the washed tomato into the 4 pieces like this. You can also make in the small pieces, but these pieces are quite suitable for making the tomato ketchup. You might be thinking that it is a tedious process, but it is not. In the family gatherings or in the function at your home or the friend party, you can make it with the ingredients like the 4 to 5 cloves of a garlic, 6 to 7 black peppers, 1 chopped onion, and the chopped ginger, and the chopped ripened tomatoes. And all you have to put it in the pan or the saucepan, adding all the ingredient together for boil. You can also add the spices in the cotton cloth by making it in a round balls in the tomato ketchup. After stirring for 4 to 5 times, add half tablespoon of salt so that it will cook properly and all the water will come out and from all the spices as well as the tomato, and cover it for 5 minutes for boiling in medium flame. The tomato and the spices are boiling. We will squeeze the lemon juice, and I will be answering the question that can we use the lemon juice instead of a vinegar or citric acid. The answer is yes, we can use the lemon juice instead of a citric acid or the vinegar in the tomato ketchup. That is the more healthier and the purest form. And after boiling for the 5 minutes, we are going to add lemon juice and a half bowl of sugar. Sugar is approximately 150 grams for the half kg of tomato, and we will add it and mix it and again cover it for boiling in the high flame. After boiling for a 2 minutes in a high flame, it turns in this form. Do you know the purpose of adding sugar is not only for sweetening the tomato ketchup but also for the preservative, and we can preserve this homemade tomato ketchup for 25 days in freeze and 15 to 20 days without a refrigerator in home. And for storing without a refrigerator, you have to add more 50 grams of sugar inside it. After boiling for 10 minutes, now we are going to blend all the mixture of tomato and spices in the grinder in a fine paste, so that we will get the fine tomato ketchup like the market one. Good aroma is coming from it. Friend, please try it at home. All your home will be full of aroma of the tomato ketchup, and the aroma will be better than the market one. And the pieces of the cinnamon we are going to take out of it because it will disturb our grinder. And after grinding, this looks like. For extracting the finer pieces of the paste, we are going to save it. And if you want to the normal pieces or without a sieving, you can also use like normally as I used without a sieving. And again I am going to boil it for 10 minutes in medium to high flame, and be careful, it will pop out after some time, and keep stirring like this, and all the waters of this mixture will evaporating slowly and slowly, and the mixture of the tomato ketchup will get more viscous. And after getting a viscous, we will add some chili flakes and again mix it. I am not adding the additional color or any preservative inside my homemade tomato ketchup, and I will suggest you to do so because it is healthy, and look how it looks like in original color. And almost our tomato ketchup is going to be more ready, and for tasting that we will do plate method and add some tomato on the plate, and if the water comes out like previously shown in the plate, then it is not ready for preserving. And again I am dropping on the plate and tilting the plate, the waters don't come out and neither the tomato ketchup comes down, so it is ready. And again we are boiling for 2 to 3 minutes so that all the waters will evaporate, and it look like this yummy. And you can watch on the walls how it popped, and our tomato ketchup is perfectly ready. The final taste is shown in this plate, and it is more viscous and ready for preserving, and it looks like this yummy. Now you can use it in your fries or in a pizza or anything. You can also taste in a water, and I am going to store it for 1 month and use it. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe and like my videos.